Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and today we have something special for you. This is the beautiful Alfa Romeo 2000 Spider, and what a car it is. It looks stunning, it drives amazingly, and now it has the upgraded infotainment system to keep it in the modern era. So this client came into us first for a consultation just to go over what they wanted to do with the vehicle and how to make it perfect and actually usable now in the modern era. And what we've managed to do is a really special upgrade. The unit we've got in the car is the Blaupunkt Frankfurt unit, a brand new unit that looks incredible sitting in there in the center of the console. It looks amazing and gives so many extra features to make this car usable now. So if you might be unfamiliar with this unit, it is brand new, but it looks amazing. It gives the correct retro style for this period of car and looks fantastic, giving you the two volume knobs on each side that you can control so many functions, whether that be the volume, skipping track, answering or declining calls. There are so many features with this unit that are built in and packed. It is a really nice one to use. Now, with this unit, you do get loads of extra functionality. So starting with, of course, Bluetooth streaming for your phone. So you listen to your Spotify, Apple Music, whatever you listen to, you can have it running through the speakers in the vehicle. And as well as that, you can also use full Bluetooth for your phone calls as well. A really nice system to use and really actually intuitive, even with the few buttons that you do have with the system. Now, as well as the Bluetooth functionality, which I think most people will use, you also have the availability for FM radio, but not only that, you also have DAB radio on there as well. Now, this is a really nice upgrade to have. Obviously, most people like listening to radio as they're driving, but my favorite part about this is how we've utilized a DAB splitter to be able to use the original aerial on the car to be able to give you that DAB functionality. No ugly antennas, no extra fitting to the vehicle on the exterior to add on that functionality. We retain the aerial. It all works as it did before. However, you now have the DAB functionality and it sounds and looks amazing. Now, with the rest of the head unit, obviously you are going to want to complement that with an upgrade of speakers, and that is why we have gone with the Audison Prima coaxial 5-inch speakers in each of the door on some custom brackets that we've made to make it look absolutely amazing. Now, working on any car this age, but especially ones like this, you have to be really careful with how you do the install. Obviously the plastics, the leathers, the materials are all very brittle, so making sure we're as careful and thorough as we can be, one on an inspection, but also when we're actually installing the equipment is really important. We found lots of funky wiring going on behind the scenes on this car, as you often do with older cars, but it's how you approach that, the methodical nature of how we do the install, which makes it perfect and makes it absolutely amazing for the client. So this unit itself is a really nice piece, and we're putting it in so many new vehicles now because it looks exactly how it should be. It gives you that right era, that right retro feel, so it doesn't look visually like there's anything going wrong, but when it's all up there, you have that 3-inch color screen as well, but it just keeps the right classic look for the vehicle, maintains the look and gives you that extra functionality. So if you have a classic car just like this one, or maybe it might be another brand, do get in contact with us and we can pop you a quote and work out a solution to have a unit like this or any other head unit that works for you and give your car, a classic car, the upgraded functionality it deserves. So thank you very much for watching today's video on this lovely Alfa Romeo Spider. Now, if you have enjoyed, please do subscribe to the channel for future videos just like this from classic vehicles, but also more modern stuff as well. I hope you've enjoyed and thank you for watching.